Morning guys, today I'm gonna have a vlog style video. I just woke up, I'm gonna get my coffee, I'm gonna get myself together, and I'm gonna go get my nails done. So I'm gonna show you guys, I'm gonna pop on the screen a couple of the options that I was thinking, and I'm gonna bring you along to me at the nail salons.
Ask you how you are, you don't just have to say that you're fine.
So that you guys can see the process, and I'll show you guys the after. So I can't wait to bring you guys along with me on my day. I'm gonna go see my friend Brooke later. I'm gonna probably run to Target, run some errands, do my makeup. Yeah, so let's get going.
Said I love you and never let you go. When you're feeling down, I'll always hold you close. Won't keep any secrets, won't play with your heart. Yeah. Baby, I'm down if you're down. Just say the words and I'll be yours forever.
So yeah, we went through all that, but this is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing these Adidas shorts and this little crop top from Fashion Nova, and then say goodbye to these nails because they're gonna be gone. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. I'm gonna talk to my girl and see what she suggests. I'll catch you guys when I am on my way there.
Baby, I'm down if you're down. Just say the words and I'll be yours forever.
Hey guys, so I'm back now. This is the set. Also, oh here. This is the set. I really love it. These are my natural nails now. Because I'm moving, I decided to do my natural nail length. Also, I'm gonna start to do my makeup now. I decided to do my natural nail length because I know that if I'm moving, I'm probably gonna break all of my nails because I'm moving myself basically. Also, I wanted to say, Yara Shikidi actually posted me on her Instagram yesterday, which is so cool. I am so shocked by that. Here, I'm gonna show you. I thought it was the coolest thing ever, and a couple of my friends actually started reaching out to me today because they saw on her, oh, here, can you see it? If not, I'll put it in there. But I was so shook. That's me. But yeah, so I thought I'd share that with you guys, and I'm gonna watch Miss Stephanie Sue. If you guys have not watched her, you should. I really love her. I love the murder mysteries and eating. So I'm gonna watch her now while I do my makeup, and I'll time lapse it.
So can you take me on a date? The simple things you do to make me stay. Now it's like you don't even try. I used to wonder why, but but now I'm left with no more tears to cry. I know that life can be busy, love, but you make time for the ones you love. It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you done for me, done for me.
Remember, probably.
Okay, now that that's done, I'm probably gonna go to Target now and buy what a little eye makeup will do. I'm gonna save my face makeup for when I'm just about to go out to see my friend. That way I keep it nice and fresh and not like mask it up and all that stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna take you guys to Target now and I will show you a little bit of what I get there.
You want me the way I want you, but you're all into all that you do. It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Did you?
So I'm back now. I got just some cards from my dad. I thought this was so cute. You belong in the great outdoors where you can fart in peace. Happy Father's Day. I thought that was cute. My humor is literally that of a 5-year-old boy. And then I got a nice one. So one funny, one nice, and then I got some Raisinets, which I already opened up and ate because they're very good. I also have a package from Travis Scott's new merch, so
But you don't wanna leave.
yeah, I got some of his new merch and it's in here. So let me get the scissors or put this down so I can open it up. You can see. Cute. It's the carousel merch. Let me bring it into better lighting. I realize you guys couldn't see it. You can probably see it better here. So this is the shirt. Quality way better than the McDonald's merch. And I'm still waiting on the zip up. And it has on the sleeve here, Cactus Jack. And you can see. So super cute. I really like it. And it's like a very light material. And I got this in a size small and I think it'll fit me well. Yeah, I like it a lot. I like the colors. I feel like there's a lot I can wear this with, even though I don't have any of his shoes yet. Maybe I will soon, hopefully. I'm gonna conclude the video here. Hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed. That way you don't miss another one of my videos. Definitely more videos to be coming as I will be moving, I think next week. I really don't know yet. It's kind of up in the air, but I believe next week. So stay tuned for that. I hope you guys have a great week, a great weekend, a great weekday, whatever day it may be, and I cannot wait to see you all in my next video.